Kung naghahanap ka ng foreclosed house sa Cavite na naka-discount na, huwag ka nang mag-skip, baka ito na ang best deal para sa'yo. May bank foreclosed inner lot tayo ngayon sa Barangay Pasong Camachile, General Trias. At take note, discounted na agad ang presyo. Property details, lot area 100 square meter, floor area 90 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. Sakto ito for families na gusto ng mas malaking space at comfortable na living. Pricing, selling price, 5,130,000 from 5,400,000. Savings, 270,000 agad. No bidding basta walang kasabay. Meaning kung ikaw ang mauna mag-move, sa'yo na agad to. Pero tandaan, first come first serve. Kapag may nauna sa'yo, sold agad. Sample computation, in-house loan, 20% down payment, 1,026,000. 80% loanable amount, 4,104,000. Terms up to 15 years. Estimated monthly amortization around 41,000 to 44,000 per month. Required income around 120,000 to 140,000 monthly household income. Pwede combined income, mag-asawa or family. Important reminders, as is where is ang property. Bank fees and transfer of title not included. Mode of payment, PDC or manager's check. In-house loan, mas flexible approval. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking bahay, mas maraming kwarto, may parking at naka-discount na presyo, ito na yung chance mo. Free house tour assistance available, pwede namin kayong samahan para makita actual unit. Message us now bago maunahan ng iba. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!